The code CR2700 flexible mounting system keeps your workspace organized and your workflow uninterrupted. In this video, we'll walk through how to install the monitor-mounted configuration. Before getting started, confirm all mounting components and tools are available. Step 1. Loosen the screws on the VISA plate located on the back of your monitor. Step 2. Slide the adjustable VISA plate into place behind the existing plate, then tighten securely. Step 3. Identify where you want your scanner positioned. Once the placement is set, fasten the offset mounting arm. Step 4. Select your preferred scanning angle. Attach the dual tilt platform using the correct holes. Step 5. Secure the charging base to the dual tilt platform. Step 6. Route your cables neatly along the offset mounting arm and secure with provided zip ties, threading each through the slots. Trim the excess for a clean finish. Your CR2700 is now securely mounted and ready for reliable scanning. Designed to keep every workflow efficient and worry-free. Contact us today to learn more.